Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the watch and removing the band so nothing gets in the way. Wipe the screen with a soft microfiber cloth to remove dust. Any grit will scratch. Squeeze a pea size of plain non-gel toothpaste onto a cotton swab. Toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive to blend shallow scratches. Apply gently to an inconspicuous corner for 10 to 15 seconds to test. This confirms compatibility and prevents damage before treating the main area. Once the test is fine, dab a little toothpaste onto a clean microfiber or cotton pad and begin rubbing the scratch in small circular motions. Apply light, steady pressure. Think of polishing metal, not sanding wood, for 30 to 60 seconds per pass, then wipe and inspect. Make sure the cloth stays slightly damp to reduce heat buildup, and avoid pushing paste into the crown, speaker, or charging port. If the scratch diminishes, repeat up to 3 passes, checking progress under bright light. After you see improvement, remove all toothpaste residue with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, then dry and buff with a clean section to restore shine. Applying a thin screen protector or clear polish compound helps hide remaining micro marks and prevents future abrasion. Make sure you reattach the band only when fully dry. Troubleshooting tip: if the scratch is deep, creates a white gouge, or the oliphobic coating wears off, stop immediately and seek professional repair. Attempting stronger abrasives risks permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.